Alright, welcome to Round Rock Honda's YouTube channel. My name's Paul Heath, good to have you along today. We are doing a little farewell to the Civic Coupe Si. It's our bye-bye Si edition. Sadly, this little cool two-door sporty mid-sized vehicle is off to take a break for about a year or so. It might be a year, might be longer, but Honda have just said that it's going to be off the market for a while, so no 2021 edition. And I thought I'd give us a little shout out to the vehicle by taking it for a kind of farewell test drive. So let's see how this thing does. And if you haven't ever driven in the manual 6-speed super duper little gearbox, it's a really nice car. I'm going to miss this. I think out of the two, just my personal opinion is that the sedan is nicely poised, but this, just that little slight difference in the wheelbase length, it makes all the difference. So we are started. We are good to go. I will just give you a quick kind of rundown on the vehicle. This particular one has the push start, automatic headlamps. We've got the aluminum pedals down on the bottom, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate, heated seats, electronic park brake. We've got the sport button that actually adjusts the dampers slightly and brings up this nice red display on the dashboard, all around the water temperature, the fuel gauge, and also across the top on the dash there. So let's go and take it for a little spin. Let's see what happens. Engine note always sounds really good in this. It's not the sportiest of exhaust sounds, but you know what? It does a great job. It's a lovely sunny January afternoon here. Sun's just setting behind us at the dealership. $5,500 RPM in first, just pulls. It's a great little car. I'll miss you, Civic Si, in the coupe format. Second gear pull. Oh, it's a revvy little beast. I love it. The wrap steering wheel, it feels nice. Seats are just right, you know, yeah, they're fabric, they're cloth seats, but they've got about the right amount of support. Loads of leg room in these as well. A lot of guys like to sit so far back, and I like to sit a little closer to the pedal so I can actually put my foot all the way down on them. Clutch feels great. Interestingly, there's brake hold on the manual as well. I'm quite a fan of the brake holder, kind of like it. We do have the lane watch camera in this, which is very nice. I was a fan of that when they brought this out on the 16 Civics, on the EX and above, and camera system is really effective. I suffer from a stiff right neck, kind of pulling over to my right. It's never fun trying to look over and glance at blind spot. That is really helpful. Let's pull through this bend here. Oh, that's great. Lots of low-level sunshine today. Never makes fun driving when you're driving straight into it. Honda lane watch camera again. Such a good little trick, but I understand the the importance of blind spot information as well on both mirrors. I can see the reason why many manufacturers are moving towards that. Looks like we've got a little accidente up here. Third gear pull, kind of half throttle, still half throttle, into fourth. It just drives great. I just want to swerve around and have fun. Sixth gear pull. It picks up nice as well, this. Really out of the box, they just drive so nice. Would I drive one of these? Certainly would. No question. It's a great daily driver. Puts a smile on your face, super comfortable. You've got creature comforts. I like it a lot. My bum sits right at the back of the seat where I feel it should be, so I can kind of feel where I am when I'm actually kind of steering around and taking corners and things like that. They just got it right. Give it some beans coming out of here. No loss of grip, no excessive body roll, still in second, still pulling. Dear Honda, please make some more of these. They're really good. Third gear pull onto the freeway, easy. It's just a fun car. Puts a smile on your face driving it. It's not the fastest. It's not got a V8, it's not got a V6, it's not got twin turbos, it's not got this, that and the other done to it. It's just a fun car for 25, 26 grand. Thereabouts. It's a hell of a car for that sort of money. And you might think I'm just saying that because I sell Hondas or work for a Honda dealership or represent them on a YouTube channel from a dealer level. Not really. This genuinely puts a smile on my face driving it. It's nice. I'm in control, I can change gears. I can throw it around. Kind of forgives me if I get it a little bit wrong. I want to know how you feel when you drive your SI. Or do you drive a Civic Hatchback Sport manual or a Civic Sedan LX manual or something like that? Let us know. If you drive a stick, let me know what you love about the good old manual gearbox. I hope you've enjoyed this little drive out, this little look around. And our little tribute farewell to the Civic Si on the Coupe model. 2020 was your last chance to buy one in its current form. And I thought I'd pick one of these up for us before we didn't have anything to show you. And I hadn't ever done a video on a Civic Si Coupe before, so I thought it was about time I did for you. But there's so many things they got right. You honestly don't need an 8-cylinder or a 6-cylinder or anything like that. Just have a Civic Si Coupe. Have a blast. Have fun. That's all you need. It'll put a smile on your face. I love it. Right. Parked. And ready for sale. Thank you, Honda, for your last 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 years of the Civic Coupe. Fantastic. Well, thank you for watching too. And if you, as I said, if you've got comments on what you love about driving a stick, if you drive a Civic Si or even a Type R, if you're one of the lucky few to have a Type R, and if you're one of the ones that have already got a limited edition Type R, please comment, send us a picture. It would be awesome. But I look forward to joining you and you joining me on the next video here at Round Rock Honda, whatever that might be. Remember to subscribe, click the subscribe button, and thank you again for watching. Have yourselves a great day.